Softerclos is a range of dual-patented hinge systems designed to perform self-closing of your glass door or gate at your desired strength. Softerclos prevents doors from slamming, resulting in a quieter environment, less stress on the door frame, and lower maintenance and replacement costs, without the need for traditional door closers and floor springs. Why choose Softerclos? Our hinges are easy to install and adjust, compatible with existing hinge dimensions, easy to retrofit, and very affordable. Softerclos hinges are also manufactured to meet high Australian quality standards. They are corrosion resistant and durable. Softerclos makes door closers and floor springs obsolete. Choose Softerclos for reliability, durability at an affordable price. Softerclos by Primero Industries, a brand you can trust. For more information, visit our website or email us.